Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Teardown with a beam and then G, I think that's how you say it. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Today we're going to be playing that game today. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe and write down in the comments what your favorite video is that I've made so far. Anyways, let's get on with the video. So basically, what this game is it's basically like a basically like a destroying game. Some of you might know that. I put this person's YouTube in the link below. His name is the Pikachu WMP. He knows this game. And yeah, basically it's just like a destroying game where you just destroy stuff. And I don't know if this person will approve it, but I'm trying to raise somebody to 50 subscribers. So could you please make sure you subscribe? Anyways, yeah. So basically all that you do basically is you just basically you can build stuff too. You can even build stuff with mods. And like yeah, it's like I am trying to raise somebody to 50 subscribers. So please help me out there and subscribe. Anyways, I'm gonna post in about 30 minutes or so. I'm probably gonna, I don't know, maybe even sooner, I don't know. Probably gonna make a Fortnite video, because I know that a lot of time when YouTubers play Fortnite, they end up getting some subscribers, so that's what I'm trying to do. So I would really appreciate it if you just went and pressed that little red button down there. But you don't have to. You can always change your mind, and yeah, it's always your choice what you want to do. I forgot how to go out of this. Whoa. Since when does that happen? And like, what button? I don't know what button it is to get out of this Minecraft mode. I'm actually stuck. Which button is it? And like, yeah. This is Teardown, I guess. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be making a very short video today. I'm just, making this video and showing you guys what Teardown is. Anyways, to finish off this video, I'm gonna, do, oh, frick, it doesn't work. Anyways, bye, have a good day.